Good afternoon, respected ma'am, honorable judges, supervisors, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today, we are representing SSPAC and our topic is Indian political. Before starting the speech, I would like to introduce my group members. Mudalyar Harihara, Rajput Dhwani, Mudalyar Visheshwaran, Lalwani V, and Mudalyar Aniket. Now I would like to call Harihara for start the speech. I would explain about Dandi March. Dandi March started from Sabarmati Ashram on 12th March as per schedule. Exactly 6:30.
Look at there and speak. Look there.
In the morning, Gandhiji left the ashram with 79 followers and started the march. They completed 241 miles up to Dandi 24 days.
Look there and speak. When you forget, you look there.
During this period, Gandhiji used to address the gatherings during the yatra. This was the most important freedom struggle which embraced from seeds to the Dandi for assistance to the British troops. I would like to call last to. I would explain my model. This was thermocol sheet, grasses, artificial grasses, and artificial photos, and artificial pepper stools. I would like to call last to explain.
Give it to him.
Pass.
Thank you, Harira. Now, I would like to explain about country's constitution. Politics of India. Constitution is the framework of country's constitution. India is a secular democratic republic in which the President of India is the head of the state and first citizen of India. The Prime Minister of India is the head of government. India follows dual polity system that is being federal in nature. Fluid preamble of the country's constitution is periphery. Thank you. Now I would like to give
Explain model.
this is the model of India's constitution book. I have used chart paper, thermocol and reader pen. Now I would like to call Dhwani for explaining further speech. Thank you. Thank you, Lord. Now I will explain about Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. There are 543 members in the Lok Sabha who are elected using voting machine system. There are district 543 single members district. There are 245 members in the Rajya Sabha, out of which 233 are elected by the election of the government proper, and there are government and election every 5 years, out of which 233 are elected or 12 others are elected or nominated by the government of the President of India. Government held election every 5 years. The parties secure majority members. To
With vacancies.
now
Okay,
I will
explain it.
my model. This is parliament. I have used thermocol sheet, acrylic colors, artificial glass, and products. Artificial grass and product stick. Now I would like to give Visheshwaran for the for the speech.
Now my topic is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. There is a provision for a bicameral legislative consisting of an upper house Rajya Sabha Council of State which represents the India's 40 nation and the lower house Lok Sabha House of People which the state of India people of India has a whole. Thank you. Now I like to give to Lavanya for the following information.
Who is speaking? You want them to say?
Thank you, Vindeshwaran, for giving me speech. My topic is the judiciary system. The Constitution of India has made the judiciary system. The court's mandate is to protect the Constitution and to settle disputes between the state government and the central government. These are called the judiciary system. To settle interstate disputes between any central or state laws, to protect the fundamental rights of citizens. Now I will explain my model. Here I have used this ice cream sticks and the thermocol sheet for the benches and this. Now I would like to call Mudala Rangikesh for the speech. Thank you, and I will explain about politics. In recent decades, politics have become a drastic affair with the party stability, absence of party provided independent civil society and appointed mobilized for the constitution and centralized for the election. And I would like to explain my model. I have made the national symbols and the national leaders, and I would like to speak about national leaders. One point. Gandhiji is also known as father of the nation. Subhash Chandra Bose is also known as Netaji, and Bhagat Singh is also known as Shahid-e-Azad, and Chandrasekhar Azad is also known as Balraj, and Jawaharlal Nehru is also known as Chacha of the children, and Sardar Patel is also known as
Iron Man.
Iron Man. And at last, I would thank to respected madam to give us the opportunity to speak in SSL. We have got so much information about the future, and thank you and have a nice day.